Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to hide apps on Windows 11 using a few easy methods. So first, if you just want to remove an app from the start menu, simply click the start button, find the app that you want to remove, like this one right here, then right click on it and choose unpin from start. So this hides it from the pin section but still keeps it installed. But if you want to hide it from search and general access, you can also press Windows plus R at the same time, then type in appwiz.cpl, then press enter. From there, you can then uninstall apps that you don't want visible anymore. So for a more advanced method, you can also hide specific apps from the start menu list using the local group policy editor. So simply press Windows plus R at the same time, then type in this code that I'm going to show on screen, then go to user configuration, then administrative templates, then look for the start menu settings to restrict certain apps. So once done, you can then restart your PC to apply changes. And that's it. So your apps will then be hidden on Windows 11. So it's really that simple. So I really hope you found this insightful. And if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.